This is probably the most amazing, smallest camera that you will ever have. It's fascinating and it has its own unique packaging. Compactly designed, and you got all amazing features that you need for your filmmaking. This is the latest version of GoPro, the GoPro Hero 7 Black Edition. It's beautiful. It comes with its own uniquely designed frame. Very handy, amazing compact design, beautiful shape. You got all instructional manual that you need for your guidance for the optimum performance of the GoPro. It comes also with other accessories for charging and for mounting. For any other specific accessories, you may go to the link provided in the description below. It is also designed with its own unique frame with durable and very light material. Very handy to give you maximum comfort and keep filming while you are on the go. You don't need to have a special skills. It's very easy and very friendly to operate. By simply touching the screen and choosing the mode you want to use, you can take your best shot whenever and wherever you go. So that's the latest GoPro Hero 7 Black Edition, and you may go to the link in the description below if you want to have your own. Thanks for watching, and we will be filming a lot more cinematic videos using this amazing GoPro, so be sure to subscribe for you not to miss any of our next videos.